So the first thing to start with on the charts here is the blue line. Now what's really handy about these charts is you can zoom in. They change from weekly to daily candles in the blink of an eye, and it just makes it super seamless. But let's start with the price trajectory oscillator, this blue line in the background. A lot of people think that this could be a moving average, but it's really not. This is one of the most important indicators inside of outliers, this blue line right here. This is our price trajectory oscillator. And the way that I look at it is that anytime I see the blue line moving up, that is the price trajectory going upwards, right? That makes it super simple. If you're going to be buying the stock, you want to see it while the price trajectory oscillator is moving up. And the same is true if you want to sell the stock. If you see it moving down, that is an indication that the price of the stock is moving down, right? So you can make a lot of really informed decisions just by trading the blue line right there, the price trajectory oscillator right there on the screen. Now, one way to use this is that if you're going long, you want to see the price trajectory oscillator pointing upward, which makes total sense, right? And if you're going to be selling it, you want to be looking for it to go down. And it's really important to catch these turns, right? These turns at the bottom here, you can see correspond a lot with those buy and sell signals that we're going to cover later on. But those turns really make it obvious to where the buy and the sell signal could be a great opportunity to start getting into or out of a stock. And the magnitude of these moves matters a lot as well. Anytime you see it getting really high up on the chart, imagine that from 0 to 100, anytime you see this getting way up on the chart, and then turning back down, that magnitude matters, right? That could result in a significant drop or a significant rise in the stock. And this is a great starting point. Imagine that you want to start shorting a stock. You could add this together with the sector and market data, and as well as there's any external factors like maybe the Fed increasing or decreasing the federal funds rate, maybe a big war breaking out, something like that. Having this as a starting point really makes things easier for you inside of OVTLYR. And one area that we really focus on is our pivotal points here on the price trajectory oscillator. Whenever it moves really low and then has that change in direction, that is an excellent opportunity to start looking at buying the stock.